20 million views, 16 million views, 15 million views, and millions more. This video made $2,100. This video made $1,600, which only took 5 seconds to create and overall got massive 116 million views. In this video, you'll know what niche is this, how you can make the videos like that using only AI without hiring anyone. I show the RPM of this niche at end and show proofs of earnings and tell how much you can make. This is the niche, which is very easy to monetize.
Dad? Why are you this dumb, son? I just can't, Dad. When I was your age, my minimum score was 80.
And doesn't require so much hard work like the history niches or scary storytelling niches where you have to go and generate all the stuff from separate AIs. So let's start. The niche I'm talking about is called a fake tech story niche. This is the channel which has been doing great and getting millions of views. And one thing I liked about this niche is that you keep getting consistent views. Like this channel is getting average 50,000 views on his videos, which is awesome. These are actually bigger views if we compare them to a 4 million subscriber channel called FitFix. His second last video got 14,000 views only, and in past his videos get 20,000 to 40,000 views consistently despite having 4 million subscribers. I tell you the RPM of this niche and earnings proof at the end. But now that you know that this niche is awesome, it's time to tell you how to actually make these type of videos. I know it may seem like you need to do everything on your own, like get the clips from some third-party apps, get script ready from ChatGPT and blah, 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 but that's not the case. Actually, there is a AI tool called vid.ai through which you can make these type of videos within just 5 seconds. But before we continue to make the video first, we need to know what story we want to make the video on. If you talk about my strategy, which I always recommend the beginners, is that you should go to your competitor's channel and filter it by most popular and then analyze his video, why it got viral, and what concept is the using. And use the same concept in your videos also, because that way we will already have a proof that this video has the potential to go viral. But for this video, we will just ask the AI to make a funny conversation between a boy and a girl, choose the tone and click on generate, and in just few seconds it created the video.
Our parents' birthdays are coming up.
Time to unleash our inner gift ninjas.
What's the budget, like $1?
I was thinking more like a pizza.
If you think you need to edit something, you can just use video editor. After it's done, you can just upload the video on your channel and start earning money. But if you want to make videos on some other niche, they have Faceless short section here where they give you the options to make videos of more niches also. You can also just ask it create any type of video you have in your mind, or just paste the script you got from ChatGPT. You can use their own AI voices also.
In a forgotten forest, whispers of the past echo through the trees, warning those who dare to enter. One night, a curious wanderer stepped into the mist.
That you know how to make these videos, it's time to show how much RPM this niche actually gets you. So actually the average RPM of this niche ranges between $0.8 to $0.1. It mostly depends on where your audience is from. If your audience is mostly from high purchasing power countries, you will always get a higher RPM. So if you do 1 million views, you can earn $100. If you get 10 million views, you can earn $1,000. If you get 100 million views, you can earn $10,000, which is massive. If you create multiple channels in this niche, you can earn a lot.